Okay, we're on the side of the property here. There's a nice 4-inch ABS cleanout located on the side of the house. A little bit underneath there. The equipment we're using to go down that pipe. You see the water flowing, which I turned on the kitchen. Downhill. I'm gonna go up. See if I go up first. Maybe show you inside the house. That turn. Obviously, you see the cast iron underneath the house. We're going to go in a little towards the house here. You see the cast iron pipe. Snap a picture of that for you. So that's underneath the house, this cast iron. Okay, we're in the cast iron piping. It's obviously got some corrosion and scaling. Expected. A little heavy. Some sag, we're underwater. Looks like just a section there, and it looks like it went back into. Okay, there we go. More on some of the waistlines. It looks pretty good though. Again, typical corrosion and scaling. And again, we're going up into the house. Looking at the waistlines. Again, cast iron. Got some corrosion and scaling, and that's about as far as I'm going to be able to get. They get really tight. I'll break my cable. So you got original cast iron underneath the house, underneath the property, and the waistlines, and the sewer ladder. So you can pull out. There's a little ABS section, so they've done some replacement. Pulling out. I'm going to go back in. See the water. Just clean the camera tip off. I don't know if you can see that. So the water flow is going downstream. Change the camera direction. Go back down towards the... Okay, so now we're headed down toward the city. Still have ABS here. So far looks good. Good, we're at 17 feet. Let's snap a picture. So 22 feet, all clear. No ABS. Setting it there. Camera. Still looks open. Little belly. It's at 37 feet. So I gotta change the material. I just can't identify it at this time. Okay, so see the shape of the pipe's oval. That right there is what we call the Orangeburg pipe. It's starting to get squished by the landscape, so it's got that oval shape. So we're in Orangeburg. out front of the house. Eventually this pipe is going to collapse. It's been pushed by this shape is oval. Eventually you're going to want to change this out. I'm going to recommend it's changed out. Water's flowing for now, but eventually you're going to have issues. See how it's getting really small there? You got an oval shaped pipe. That's on really soft material. Back in the 70s. It's getting really, holes starting to get smaller. And it should not be small at this point. I'll put you on pause, get some water flow. I'm having difficulty pushing now. Alright, so I turned on some additional water from the bathtub. Kitchen sink water is not draining. Got some backup there, so hopefully we can get a little farther here. Alright, turned on some more water. Go to push a little farther. We're at 74 feet. Looks like a lot of sediment. I can't tell where it's going. Went to cast iron. It's a little awkward. It's in cast iron right now. This is interesting. Okay, I'm 78 feet out. Stop the tape there to try to push a little farther. A lot of sediment. I'm not sure why the material changed. It looks like clay pipe or cast iron. I'm gonna keep pushing as far as I can get. There's a lot of things blocking my way. So I've got a big lip right there. You can see it. It's not gonna let me go any further. Okay, so I'm out just past the sidewalk, adjacent to the driveway, and the tree comes in. You can see a little transition there. Cannot push this line any further. It's starting to kink on me, and I don't want to break it. That being said, it costs $2,000 to replace it. So this pipe's got a lot of the Orangeburg being squeezed. Oh, there's a good picture right there. I'm going to try to push past this one more time. Okay, so able to get past that little hump. Got lots of water flowing. Hit it down to the city main. Nice offset joint there. That's a big one. You see the gap on top. And that is in the street right there. That's at 83 feet. Snap a picture of that. Go back into clay. See the drop, so we're going to be underwater here. Alright, blacking out. I'm going to turn off the water so we get clarity here. Pause you for a minute. Okay, so I'm back out of the pipe. I'm going to walk you down the path and kind of show you best I can of exactly what you're looking at. The pipe goes this way, starts there, walking down this trail, likely this way up here, going past these cars, down through here, and then those pictures I showed you in the report are right here out to the street. So that's your path right there. Okay. If you look in the report, you'll see the pictures of the Orangeburg being crushed down to an oval shape, which you know, you're going to replace that with the large offset joint, water just seeping into the ground. Alright, that's reliable property inspection. Thank you.